This guide will help you to remove Ctionunhe.info push notifications from your browser. The peculiarity of these alerts is that they attack Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and when they initially pop up, they tell some misleading information. For instance, they may tell about the need to click on the Allow button, supposedly to verify your age or to prove that you are a human, or to fix your missing internet connection, but all such statements delivered by Ctionunhe.info are absolutely faulty. Unfortunately, some people trusted them and clicked on the Allow button, which was obviously a very serious mistake. So, I hope you will not commit this mistake, but even if you do that, if you click on Allow by mistake, there is still a way to fix your browser after that has been done. So do the following: go to the browser menu, click on Settings. Now select Site Settings, Notifications. You may find this dangerous resource in the Allow section. Click here and select the option Remove. After it has been removed, I also recommend that you scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which may be downloaded through the website combocleaner.com. This is the official landing page of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Once you install the software, start it from the launchpad. Initially, it will come as a trial version. Even the trial version offers some free function, for instance, disk cleaner, that helps you remove system junk files, big files finder, and duplicates finder. All these three functions are free. As for the antivirus, it's the part of the premium version only. However, you may scan with Combo Cleaner trial to locate all other possible threats. At the end of scan, you will see a detailed report of all possible threats that may be the part of your Mac computer. As you see, the antivirus detected 60 threats so far, but the number of threats on your particular device, of course, could be different. You may click on Review Results, and the software Combo Cleaner Antivirus will show the exact location of each specific threat. So, you may remove each thread separately by going to its location and deleting one thread at a time, or you may click on Remove All Threads button. That will help you to get rid of them automatically, but with the premium version of the software only. Keep this information in mind. Thanks for watching.